secret. Am I the only one who never used the delivery services that we work for? Or are you someone who just never used the delivery services? Well, that stops today. Hey, I'm Patricia, and I'm here with the Rideshare Guy. Roadie is a same-day delivery service that connects people with stuff to send to drivers that are already heading in the right direction, which right now is my direction, because I am home in my pajamas, I am relaxing, and I need something from Best Buy. So I'm going to use Roadie to help with that. I'm just showing you how it looks on the website, just so you can see it. But I'm going to actually create my gig using the mobile phone, because most of us use our phone anyway. So let's get started. Let's go to our Roadie app. And this is where I'm going to sign in. What we are going to do is create a gig. Then it opens up to, let's get an estimate. I would like to get an estimate. So they have your pickup location and your delivery location and the size. It will arrive today as soon as 5 p.m. Here we get the estimate. You know the price, which was that $10.16. And these are some of the questions that it asks. We already selected create an estimate. Now let's select create a delivery. So it brings you to the form that we were just at after getting the estimate. Then you move forward with that. You have these 3 lines over here. And it just gives you the dashboard on the side showing you get an estimate, get a delivery, the 2 things we already spoke about. It gives you some how-tos. Here it says, we're currently updating our how-to. Please check back later. And then we have some updates. Like most apps, they're talking about COVID, just making us be aware of certain things. Let's see about some promotions. No promotions, no news is good news. So let's check back later. So I need a USB. I do not feel like driving to go pick it up. So I'm going to order it here from Best Buy. I know Roadie is partnered with Best Buy. I've picked up some deliveries from there. So now to add that to the cart. And I am going to pick up from the forum. Free pickup. All right, let me do all the necessary things to get this paid. I would like to continue as a guest. Pickup. Your name. Add a new pickup person. Well, I don't know who my pickup person would be yet. So once you hit delivery, now it's letting me know that my delivery is being created and that they're matching the driver. And they're going to let me know once a driver is notified. So it shows where they're picking it up and where they're dropping it off and the time. Which driver picked up my product? Now you go to create a gig. It automatically saved. And it says that Major D is the driver. And as you see, now what I needed to do was I got a call from Major D explaining to me that I needed to change the pickup name. So I did go about that. So I had to go back to my email, go to my Best Buy order, and then select my order, which then brings me to the order. And it has been picked up because I did switch the pickup person's name once I identified that Major Davis was the driver that Roadie had to pick up my item. So that was something I had to do on Best Buy, not on Roadie's app. And then Roadie out the product that is arriving. So let's go back to the Roadie app. Go to create a gig. Logs me in and pickup is in progress. And it shows me that the delivery was created. The driver was assigned at this time. The pickup was complete and the item is being delivered. Look, they are almost here. It says Major D is on the way to the delivery location. So let's track my gig. The delivery is already in the process. Let me know the tracking number, no signature is needed, and we just wait. Tells me what car the driver's in. And he is my Roadie delivery driver. Do you like working for Roadie?
Yes, I do.
Thank you so much. Is there anything I need to sign?
No, I gotta get a picture and the to recipient and submit. Complete.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
You're
Have
welcome.
a good day. He was a nice driver. He actually kept me informed while he was at Best Buy. So let's close out. Please submit your rating. Again, I liked his service. He kept me informed. I'm going to write that. Nice person. Great customer service skills. I know that this matters on people reviews. So if you can, leave a review all the time. I'm submitting that to Roadie. So as it's showing, and the delivery was complete successfully. Everything came. I felt safe. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and share. We upload videos every week, so hit that notification button so you'll be notified. Until next time, bye.